Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. May aawitin ako ngayon, pakinggan ninyo. Please release me, let me go, for I don't love you anymore. To live my life will be a sin. Release me and let me love again. Guys, huwag ninyong kalimutan mag-subscribe.